There are many ways to add lighting effects to photos using external editing software, but that usually means switching between different tools or learning complicated programs. What I'm about to show you step by step is one of the easiest ways to add realistic lighting to an image directly inside Canva using an app. If you're a beginner, this is a technique you can quickly add to your skill set because it allows you to enhance the mood and depth of your photos without leaving the platform. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose the type of canvas that matches your project so you're working with the right size from the start. Once your blank canvas is open, go to Uploads on the left-hand side and upload the photo you want to work with. After the image is uploaded, click on it to place it onto your canvas. Next, head over to the App section on the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type in LightLab and click on the app that appears in the results. Once the app opens, select the image on your canvas so the app can detect and load it into the editor. After the image is detected, you can start choosing a lighting preset or one of the ready-made templates that determine how the light will appear and from which direction it will come from. These presets make it easy to experiment with different lighting styles. Once you've chosen one, click on Add Light Effects. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. And wait a few seconds while Canva processes the image and applies the lighting. When the lighting effect is applied, you can start refining it by adjusting settings such as the color, intensity, distance, and radius of the light. You can also replace the preset you selected earlier if you want a different lighting style. If you want to add another light source, simply click the plus icon in the light section and choose a new light color. Once you're satisfied with how the lighting looks, click on Add to Design. This will place the edited version into your canvas so you can replace the original photo with the new one. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just added realistic lighting effects to a photo directly inside Canva using a simple app. With just a few adjustments, you can dramatically improve the look of your images and make your designs feel more dynamic and professional. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.